Hey, what's up and welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking how to remove anything you want from your photo. I'm gonna be showing you two techniques in Photoshop for smaller details and more complex subjects or objects. Let's jump in. I have three examples for you today. Once you open your image, first thing you want to do is create a copy. Press Ctrl or Command J. Then you want to press J on your keyboard. That will open Spot Healing Brush Tool. Healing Brush Tool is an excellent tool for minor details. Let me show you. If we zoom in on this pigeon, take the brush and just paint, and it's gone. Let's see this one, just like so, and it's gone. Before, after, small details, Healing Brush, perfect tool. On a second photo, we're going to be using Healing Brush and a Content Aware Fill. Let me show you. On this tree, we can use Healing Brush, just paint over, and maybe this. And basically, we're done with this one. Down here in the corner, we have a signature that we can remove. We're going to use the L key to open Lasso tool. What you want to do, just go around what you want to remove, and then do right click and Content Aware Fill. Ctrl D to deselect, and you're done. On the third photo, we're going to be using Content Aware Fill. Let's say we want to remove this part of a fence. Just select it, right click, Content Aware. Okay, Ctrl D. Let's say we want to remove somebody from the picture, right here. Make sure you get the selection as best as you can, like so. The preview looks good. Ctrl D. And let's say we want to remove these cars right here. Make a selection. Content Aware. It's okay job. What we can do is to tell Photoshop where to look for an image to replace. So everything that is green, Photoshop will take in consideration and make an image out of it. So we want to remove maybe this part right here, or those cars right here. And there you have it, how to easily remove anything from a photo. Before, after. And this is how you can remove anything from a photo. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. See you in the next one. Bye.